Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can withdraw money from Cash App account. So in order to cash out on Cash App, all you have to do is launch the Cash App on your smartphone. So for that, open up your application. So once you open up your application, click the dollar icon located in the bottom left hand side corner. At the bottom of the screen you'll see a tab showing Cash App balance. So tap on it to access your balance and the transaction history as well. After that, look for the option labeled as cash out or cash and then tap on it. Once you've done that, specify the amount you want to cash out from your Cash App balance, and then you need to select the withdrawal method. You can typically choose between transferring the funds to your linked bank account or to standard Visa, MasterCard or debit card, whatever. Review the details of the withdrawal including the amount and destination, that is bank account or card. Confirm the transaction. Now Cash App will prompt you to enter your Cash App PIN or use a biometric authentication to confirm your withdrawal. Withdrawal is completed. You'll receive a confirmation in the app. The time is taken for the funds to appear in your bank. So Cash App also has certain limitations on the amount you can withdraw at the time. So be aware of these limitations when initiated a cash out. So in this way you can cash out or withdraw funds on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.